With a theme, the need for climate financing in Uganda, the report highlights the urgent reality that Uganda is on the front lines of the climate crisis. Vulnerable communities, particularly in areas like Mount Elgon and Kasese, are already experiencing severe climate-related disasters.
This report was meant to assess the Uganda's readiness in terms of how we can mitigate and adapt to the climatic change, especially looking at financing as one of the tools that is committed globally, but also in the nationally determined contributions here in Uganda.
Addressing the questions of where funds allocated for climate actions are directed, the Permanent Secretary of Ministry of Water and Environment explained that government channels these funds through specific projects.
We go and attend the BSST's releases of the money, but how far do we go? And I'm speaking to everybody who is here, whether it is government, the government institutions. How are they tracking the money, especially the climate finance money? For civil society, what are we doing? The media, you are already showing us the PSS team releasing the money. Where is the money going? What is it doing?
Government has prepared a number of projects, and the money is flowing in the country, and that's the monies which the NGOs are talking about. And we are implementing these projects in the different parts of this country. Some of these projects, they are infrastructure related. For example, when you look at where we are doing resilient projects, we are putting up infrastructure to help communities like to live with wetlands. We have a GCF wetland project.
The report also recommends that civil society organizations work with local governments to enhance climate finance accountability and tracking.
Fast track the definition of climate finance. I know many of you will speak to this. Climate finance, as I said, is one of the issues where we still struggle what it is, yet it seems very straightforward. Even when we have a few basic definitions, we are still struggling. So we need to agree. And we also need to harmonize reporting and tracking.
With COP29 approaching in November 2024, stakeholders are urged to meet climate finance commitments and strengthen accountability frameworks to ensure funding for communities least responsible but most affected by climate change. Winnie Ainembabazi Katwire and Tanaba Kenneth for UBC.